Yesterday we built the React mental model. Today we build our actual product. This is a productivity dashboard. I named it as PulseBoard. But today's focus is not styling, not logic, not backend. Today is about one thing: how React thinks in components. Yesterday we used two ways of initializing React, by CRA and by hide. We are not using CRA. We use hide, which is the modern and latest. Delete everything inside source except main.jsx and app.jsx. Clean app.jsx. This is a component and it returns JSX, JavaScript plus XML. Let's talk about JSX. JSX is not HTML. It gets converted into React.createElement to this. Curly braces allow JavaScript inside JSX. This is why React is powerful. UI is dynamic, not static. PulseBoard layout, header, sidebar, main content. We are not focusing on UI beauty. We are building architecture. Today we initialized PulseBoard, broke UI into components, used props as configuration, learned compositions,